What's going on YouTube? Your TikTok barber. Today in this video, I will be showing you guys how to cut a mid taper. So stick around for the final results. Alright guys, we're just going to focus on the taper in the edge up because he's going to grow his top back out. But I just want to let you guys know, you know what I'm saying, I'm starting off with my Andis trimmers, you know what I'm saying, I'm just going in just to make the first initial guideline. And I always start your hair cut off neat because once you start neat, you have to end it neat. Then I fall back with no guards, level open with my Babyliss Pro clippers. The only thing I'm doing now, I just went up an inch so I can have enough room to fade when I'm starting, you know what I'm saying, just adjust my clippers as needed. But you know what I'm saying, make sure you go up an inch or a quarter of an inch, depending on, you know what I'm saying, your standards of cutting hair. But I prefer an inch because, you know what I'm saying, you'll have more vibrant and wider space to work with. And always keep that brush in your hand because that brush should, you know what I'm saying, brush the hair away so you can see the fade start to take effect. Now I come back with my 1.5 guard. The only thing I'm doing right now is actually debugging the parietal ridge area. I just want to, you know what I'm saying, fake that hair out so I can just have enough room to come back with the following guard. But with the 1.5 guard, you want to adjust. The more you open the guard up, the higher you go with the debugging. The more you close the guard, the lower you go with the debugging. So right now I'm just actually, you know what I'm saying, in between opening and closing because I just want to follow behind with the next guard. After I get done debugging with the 1.5, I put the 1 guard on. Now I'm just actually cutting with the grain so I can already have that smooth transition once I, you know what I'm saying, start to put the fade in. Then I flip my clippers back over with the number 1 open, and I'm just actually debugging that 1.5 that I put on previously. And before I jump to conclusions, yes, you have to adjust as needed because, you know what I'm saying, you want that transition to take place. So yeah, that number 1, adjust when needed, and you know what I'm saying, remember to calm down as you cut so you can see your fade start to take transition. Okay guys, now I come in with a little minor details because, you know what I'm saying, I just want to make sure that fade is, you know what I'm saying, in there before I start on the other side because, you know what I'm saying, I always go back and do detail, but while I'm working on that one side, I just actually, you know what I'm saying, just make sure that side is where I want it to be. So let's just jump to this side and fast forward it until, you know what I'm saying, we get up to the edge up. One more thing guys, this side is just like the other side. So yeah, like I said, we're gonna fast forward this side right here until we get up to the edge up part. Let's get it. I just want to do something different. I usually start the edge up at the front, but you know what I'm saying, since I was already, you know, fading the back of his hair, I just want to go and start on the side because, you know what I'm saying, I just feel like I want to just do something different for YouTube. And, you know what I'm saying, make sure everything is natural as you edge him up at the neck, his neck and everything. And, you know, just make sure the edge up match the haircut because, you know what I'm saying, you can have a nice fade, but a messed up edge up. Or it could be the other way around. You can have a nice edge up and a messed up fade. But you know what I'm saying, you have to make it match. You got to make it, you know what I'm saying, you know, clean. But as far as starting in the front, I started on the vertical bars and the C cups first because I just want to just start in the middle and match everything up as one. Alright YouTube, this is the final results. If you like the haircut, please give it a thumbs up. If you're new to the channel, please hit that subscribe button. But with further ado, it's your TikTok barber with the fresh cuts. I will be bringing new content out every day, so stick around. And please turn on post notifications. But with further ado, I'm out. Peace.